We'll guide you through how to record voice over in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop and make sure your project is loaded. Go down to the Fairlight page by clicking on the musical note icon at the bottom. Once you're there, look for the track header where you want to record your voice. Click on the RI button to arm the track for recording, which prepares it to capture your voice. Next, check your microphone input settings. Go to the Fairlight menu at the top, select Input, and then Patch Input/Output. In the pop-up window, you'll see a grid where you can connect your microphone to the track. Under the Input section, select your microphone from the list. Then, under the Track section, choose the track you armed for recording. Click on Patch, and your microphone is now connected. Make sure you have headphones connected so you can monitor your recording without causing feedback. Now, go back to the track header and click on the Record button, which looks like a red circle, to start recording. Speak clearly and monitor your levels to ensure they are not peeking into the red zone. Once you've finished recording, click the Stop button, which looks like a square. You can then play back your recording to check the quality. Remember, you can also apply effects like EQ or noise reduction to enhance your voiceover once it's recorded. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.